Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D practice model of crankshaft in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial, we'll construct a crankshaft profile while using the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now select the 2D sketch and click on the XY plane. From here go to arc command and select the center point arc. Select this center point and make one arc here. Now go to dimension. The radius of this arc will be 50 mm. Okay. Zoom out. Now go to horizontal constraint. Select this point and select this point. So they will be horizontally aligned with each other. Now escape from this. Now go to line command and make one line here. Now escape. Now we are making the rough profile first. So go to arc and take 3-point arc. Make one arc profile here. Now go to line, one vertical line over here. Escape. Now go to 3-point arc once again and one closing arc here. So this will be the complete profile. Now as this is in moving form, so go to vertical constraint, select this point and select the center point. Okay. Now go to tangent command or tangent constraint, select this arc and select this line. Okay. Now go to dimension. The dimension of this from center will be at 40 mm. Enter. Now the dimension from center, the center of this arc will be 20 mm and the horizontal dimension from center will be 57.5 mm. Okay. Now the radius of this top arc will be of 25 and the center distance of this arc from this base center point will be 40 mm. Okay. Now escape. Now go to line command and make a vertical line over here till this point or extend it. This is a reference line. Escape. Select this and make here a construction geometry. Now go to this point and drag it till this line. Okay. Now this is constraint sketch. Now go to mirror command. Select this side profile till this line. Go to mirror line and select this center line. Apply and done. Okay. So this is a fully constrained sketch now. Now go to 3D model. Extrude. We will extrude it up to a distance of 10 mm and this will be a one side extrude. And OK. Now rotate this view. Now select this back profile. Go to create sketch. Here go to circle command. Drag on this arc. From this center point, make a circle of dia 30 mm. Go to 3D model. Extrude. Extrude this height up to 20 mm. And OK. Okay. Now select this face. Go to create sketch. And here, from here we will take the center to center slot. Select this center point and select this center point. Make one slot profile. Go to dimension. The width of this slot will be of 40 mm. Okay. And escape. Now you can see we can drag this circle up and down. So to constrain it, go to concentric, select this arc and select this circle. So the center of these both will be the same center. Escape. Now go to circle command. From here, make one circle on this profile and escape. Now go to 3D model, extrude this complete profile, this and this. Okay, a slot profile we will extrude first. The extrude will be of 10 mm. Okay, and okay. Now go to extrude 3, select this sketch 3 and turn on its visibility. Now go to extrude once again and select this bottom circle and give a distance here of 40 mm. Now as you can see, it is at cutting profile, so flip it to join and okay. Okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now go to sketch once again, go to project geometry and rotate this and project this circle. Okay, now you can see the circular profile over this face. Now go to 3D model, extrude, select this, go to view, visual style, shade it with edges. We will extrude it up to a height of 5 mm and okay. Okay, now you can hide this sketch also. So select this sketch, turn off the visibility. Okay, now rotate the view or select here home. Now we'll make the profiles on front plane or this front face. So select this face, go to create sketch. Now go to circle command here. From this center point, make a circle of dia 30 mm. Okay, and go to 3D model, extrude it up to a height of 30 mm. Okay, it will be a one side extrude and okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch and go to circle command. From center, make a circle of dia 20. Go to 3D model, extrude it up to a height of 40 mm and okay. Okay. Now we will make the whole profile and cut profile over here. So select this face, go to create sketch, go to circle command. From this center point, make a circle of dia 5 mm and from here go to 2-point rectangle and make here a 2-point rectangle. Now go to dimension, give this a height of 5 mm and the horizontal dimension also of 5 mm. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. So it will be vertically aligned with the circle. Now go to dimension. The bottom profile from this center will be at a height of 7 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch. Now we have two profiles over here. So go to extrude, select both the profiles. Now flip the direction to direction 2 and take the distance here of 20 mm and okay. So this will be the cut profiles. Okay, rotate. Now we will provide the chamfer and fillet profiles. So go to fillet, take a fillet of 2 mm, select this, rotate and select here, apply, rotate the view. Now exit from this, go to chamfer, take a chamfer of 1 mm, go to edge selection and select this edge and apply, exit. Okay, now you can assign the color. From here we will take the light red, again go to this light red color. Okay, so this is the complete model. I think we have covered all the things. Okay, so this is the basic tutorial to how to construct a camshaft drawing or a camshaft 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.